Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in Twickenham Park in St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 3,000 square feet and it's on the market for $600,000 US. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we are at the front porch. From here we're going to head on the inside. First up we have the living area. Dining area. And next is the kitchen. Up next we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. From here we're going to head back on the outside. And here we have a pond to the back of the property. And that will be the end of house number 1. House number 2. Here we have a 6-bedroom, 8-bathroom house located in Helsha Hills in St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 3,000 square feet, with the size of the lot being 10,890 square feet. This house is currently on the market for 39.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. First up, we have the veranda. Next is the living area. Dining area. And here we have the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, 3 were shown. We move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third. Fourth bathroom. And this is the 5th bathroom. This house has 8 bathrooms, however only 5 were shown. That will then be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. Here we have a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in Linstead, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 3,500 square feet and it's been listed for $585,000 US. Let's go on the inside. First, we have living area number 1. And this is living area number 2. Next, we have a dining area. And from here, we move right along to the kitchens. First, we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2 with an additional dining and sitting area. From here we move right along to the bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 3 were shown. From here we're going to head back on the outside, and that would be the end of house number 3. House number 4. For house number 4, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 1,400 square feet and it's on the market for 27 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next, we have this additional sitting area, and followed by that is the kitchen. From here, we move right along to the bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next, we have the bathroom. This house has 2 bathrooms, however, only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we're going to head to the rooftop terrace. And that will be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in the community of Phoenix Park Village in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 5,484 square feet and it's been listed for 40 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedroom. Out of 2 bedrooms, 1 is being shown. Next, we have the bathroom. And from here, we're going to head back on the outside. Now that will be the end of the images for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.